What is up, everybody? Birchmo Video here again today, and we've got us a Cadillac with this here North Star V8. Yeah, I've heard these motors are junk, but I don't know, I've never owned one. Going up. Now this is a fairly simple oil change. I mean, I can show you. You got the oil plug here, and you've got the oil filter here. So I mean, obviously, as you can see, you got the front of the car and the back of the car. It's pretty freaking easy to see. So I bet most of y'all have seen that the new Dodge Demon. It's a pretty healthy piece of equipment right there now. 840 horse, 770 pound-foot of torque. The drag radials, 315, 40, 18s or something like that. It's gonna be something to beat. I mean, I don't know. Chevrolet's gonna have to come up with something, and Ford. They're both gonna have to come up with something, a factory line rig that will compete against that. Because that GT350R and the Z06, I ain't gonna be able to touch it. The only thing that's gonna be able to touch it is that NFC Exorcist Camaro, but that's not stock. It's got 1,000 horsepower. I'd drive it. I'd drive both of them as far as that goes.
Mitch already about getting full.
Huh?
So Mitch already about getting full.
Yeah, god dang it. It was right here a second. Well, it's drained
Well,
down
I
a
mean,
little bit now.
I can see right here. It looks like it's right there on it.
Yeah, probably. See, since I did this one.
Probably another one more oil change. That'd be about it on it. Without taking a chance.
God dang it. Oh, this is gonna be such a pain.
What's your hand over there?
Oh, this one wasn't as tight as that other one. That last one I did, I liked to not get it off. It was that tight.
On Andy's?
Yeah.
You've done a dealership, wasn't it?
Huh?
You've done a dealership, wasn't it?
Well, I don't know. They had the same. Well, both this one and that one had the AC Delco sticker
Well,
in it,
dealership.
and they have AC Delco freaking filters on them,
That's a dealership job then.
and they're tight. This one wasn't as bad.
I don't know what they make these soles out of on these shoes here. But they ain't wearing
Oh, I know. They don't wear with
very
the
hard,
crap.
very much at all on the concrete. Sir!
Watch me get burned. Ooh. I dodged a bullet. This is going to be your oil filter of choice, 21522. And this is also an 07 Cadillac DTS 4.6 liter North Star V8. I forgot to mention that earlier. I ain't about to do this right now. By God. Oh, god dang it. My motor's still a little bit warm, in case you wanted to know. Come on. Freaking turd. You watch, I'll bust my knuckles here in a sec. Oh. Ooh, that was close. See what I'm talking about? I think she's on there. You're gonna need a filter wrench to take it back off, but by God, it's on there and it ain't gonna leak. This is where the magic happens. 5W30 motor oil, So I've got 7 quarts in it, and it's still showing low, so I'm going to go to the book. And if that don't help me, I'm going to go to Dad, and I'm going to see, because I'm getting sketchy putting any more oil into this thing, because it's only a 4.6 V8. And of course, when I need it, there's no book. So I ended up putting 7 3/4 in there, and it looks pretty good. It's in the where it's supposed to be. So I think that's all we got for today, and this is Birchmill Video. Have a good day.